The financial markets had rallied on Wednesday on the expectation that Donald Trump's address to the nation will be de-escalatory. Instead, he has said that the war will continue and has threatened to strike Iranian power plants very hard and to send Iran into a stone age. In response, all assets that were rallying on peace hopes were sold off immediately. The U.S. crude prices surged by over 5% to back over $106 per barrel from $98 on Wednesday. The treasuries dropped across the curve after Trump's threatening tone towards Iran in a prime-time address to the nation. The U.S. gas prices then extended a surge above $4 per gallon and stayed above their highest level since August 2022 last month. The 36% spike in March from about $2.98 before the war began is the biggest that has been witnessed in the last 30 years. On Thursday, the Standard & Poor's 500 futures erased $550 billion in terms of market capitalization in just 25 minutes after Trump's speech. Stocks and oil prices are increasingly moving in opposite direction. The Standard & Poor's 500 has declined over 4% over the last 50 trading sessions, while crude oil prices have surged by more than 72%. The Wall Street benchmark and the United States oil have moved in opposite directions in 38 sessions over the last 50 trading sessions. This is the highest in the last 20 years. This has also surpassed the previous record of 36 trading days that was set during the 2008 financial crisis. The Wall Street futures are down by over 1%, reversing a market rally in the previous session. The MSCI's Asia Pacific Share Index has dropped by 1.7%, reversing a rebound from its worst month in more than 17 years. The Indian benchmarks were an exception to the broader sell-off trend. While domestic stocks crashed over 2% in early trade, they recouped the losses to end the day in green. Precious metals tumbled, with gold falling nearly 1.6% to about $4,680 an ounce. Bitcoin fell by over 2% to around $67,000.